My boyfriend mother, Larry mother, go carry one girl for village champion like that. See me Larry marry. Not be smart thing for this house yesterday, my sister.
So we see your guy Larry dey talk.
Wetin Larry talk? Larry say you no even need the village girl. Say you no go deal with the village girl normally.
Oh God, but in love with that wahala. Don't start. No go anywhere. You dey here. Stay. You dey here. Calm down.
What is good about this evening? So make you not go anywhere. All these children, they play with me, they don't know who I be. See, now so now go just they sit down, they story, they finish my picking money. See, this house, you not go cut me at you. You see, that you don't already get wife. Now they cook for inside now. No be this on a fast food shop. See, this house, pack your load and go. Pack your load and go. See, this house not go cut me at you. See. Wife, see her. Yaga, funny. See.
Mommy. Mommy.
My daughter.
Food is ready.
You see her better wife.
Mommy, this one they call me village champion. They call me local girl. They call me win. Thunder will fire you.
Now better thunder with the breathe. Now will fire you. Now picking wife now they cause.
It no go better for you.
It no go better for
you. Just girl.
You never
know
why.
Leave this house.
You go leave this
house. It no go better for you.
See, you go more leave this house. See, as I tell you, sir, this house no go continue. I give you some minutes. Just come say the pack your load before Larry go come back. Just carry your load, make it.
Mommy, please, let's go.
Hey, let me.
Let's go.
I craze for this pikin. I don't craze before.
You don't craze before.
I don't craze so.
You want tell me now? Mommy, don't craze. Mommy, don't craze.
This house no go continue.
Mommy, let's go.
I go continue. You must back.
Mommy, let's go. Mommy, let's go.
Let me craze. Let me craze for this pikin.
You don't craze before.
You are telling me. You are telling me.
You don't craze before.
I don't craze before.
Mommy, tell me now.